All right, you're welcome. So when you video you want na wa like and I was subscribe so come on. So maybe I'm like new content etuma you get it so and then per se when you please ya very simple concept very simple basic so into obeti ase come na botre into where part one of it you be breaking it down na when you please ya then they the quantity benign tumor den malignant tumor den we then so into let's start neoplasia. Okay, now even neoplasia, what is neoplasia? Now neoplasia na nkasa ya where the be between breaking down so into your neo means new and plasia means growth. In fact, not every any new growth be bad, but your growth would it was some growth born my bad. What I say into your new growth, to new means new and plasia means growth, that is new growth. And using neoplasia is so to say a new growth. Okay. The growth, we're not talking about proliferation, because of proliferation are increasing the number of cells. Then there is proliferation. There is new growth, and that is called neoplasia. In the definition of that neoplasm. According to R. Willis, we define neoplasm as the abnormal mass of tissue, the growth of which exceeds and it's uncoordinated with that of normal tissue and persists in the same excessive manner of cessation of the stimuli or the stimuli, which resulted in change. That is neoplasm, according to R.A. Willis. Now, there are some exceptions to the definition. I want to say, the growth occurs persistent after cessation of after stimulus. Or say, even in say growth no okay, even if say stimulus now a buy na a trigger cells no and proliferate cells no increasing their number no. So stimulus so what's to stimulus now? I was say mostly no stop stimulus now. So now no, the growth no okay. Even though stimulus now it na trigger the new growth no, but still the growth okay. But you must be knowing that some neoplasm actually regresses. Everyone may be jai. The stimuli now introducing say jaya. Growth no jai. Example, one more hormone dependent, no. So and stimulus, meaning there should be stimulus in order to develop neoplasm. I say everyone man stimulus be I say a trigger the new growth. So sometimes we may not be able to identify the stimulus. So sometimes we may not be able to identify this stimulus. Right. Now your neoplasm and your neoplasia. Neoplasia is the process whereby cells need proliferate for neoplasia. But neoplasm there, that is the condition. That's it. And neoplasia is uncontrolled. What do you mean control? No? This new growth, it is uncontrolled. That's it. Right. Now, you have a tumor. What is tumor? Now, first, now you see the word tumor. Now, the meaning is swelling. So, initially, the word tumor was used to denote swelling, but nowadays, the word tumor is used interchangeably with neoplasm. Anything that's about the cardinal signs of inflammation, now, the cancer swelling, a tumor, maybe a tumor, there cancer, and cancer. First, now, word, it's a swelling now. Infinite tumor, but I say, is used interchangeably with neoplasm, so as I say. Now, any differences between neoplasia and hyperplasia? Idea kama neoplasia, plasia. Yes, but who new and about hyper. And so, what's the difference between neoplasia and hyperplasia? I mean, now both of these words are having plasia. That means a growth, a hyperplasia, new growth, growth. Into that cell proliferation, into one now they are increasing the number of cells. So there's growth. Into hyperplasia then. Now hyperplasia a proliferative cells one difference between hyperplasia and neoplasia. Proliferative cells on hyperplasia are under normal control. Neoplasia, they are cancer, some of the cells na abandoned. Proliferation, they won't even control more. Neoplasia, they are uncontrolled. It's one difference between hyperplasia and neoplasia, and say for hyperplasia, there's a growth they are the normal control, to mean control, they are normal control. So, but for neoplasia, they are uncontrolled. Then, what second difference is where hyperplasia, proliferation of hyperplastic cells stop when stimulus removed. Proliferative cells do not stop even after sedation. In the hyperplasia, no stimulus na air trigger the new growth no. O stop the stimulus pe hyperplasia no so bejai growth no bejai. But neoplasia, adna air trigger new growth no. Just say o stop it that stimulus and new growth no still na bit my then akoso okay. That's another difference between hyperplasia and a neoplasia. And yes, come on. Now, hyperplasia and neoplasia, another difference. Hyperplastic cells are well differentiated. Neoplastic cells differentiation varies. In just say, hyperplasia for no, the cells are well differentiated. But for neoplastic cells, the differentiation varies. What do I mean? Because new differentiation, I patches say, new group of cells, that cells now about new group no, almost say, near one that no. Since new group of cells are okay, cells now increasing number. For hyperplasia, cells na increasing number no. But the bachelor can have because I'm saying normal one. Almost a normal one no. Almost a normal one pop up. When they can say them say they are well differentiated because the new cells no almost set the normal one and what so on. But for neoplasia no, new cells na ban. It could be says and kakra. It could be saying sanokra. It could be saying it is moderate. Wow, into neoplasia there, some new growth of cells no. It beats me for hyperplasia, new growth of cells in the awesome. Or said the normal cells, new one are balanced, normal. Until I come in, with new one, can become normal cells. Them say they are well differentiated. But for neoplasia, no dear, some cells na aban. It could be say, Iboma almost new old cells. No. It could be say, almost some cry. It be such as also one of could be that is that. Come on. Now, I read the nomenclature of nomenclature of neoplasm or tumor. Very brief. I'm not going much into detail because in part 2, no, my explaining the nomenclature and part 3 and so no, intimate code but me the basics. Now, first you have to know because nomenclature of neoplasma. Say, some say neoplasia and a tumor they are used interchangeably. Nomenclature, say me dear be din. Sa new growth no aban. I was here man din. Nti ɛkwan bɛn so edin bɛn na ɛde ma no then ɛkyerɛ sɛ mema no din bɛn so kama. Now first you have to know that a tumor has two components. Now tumor biara no ɛwɔ two components. Ɛwɔ the parenchyma and stroma. Even in tissue more two types of cells, more parenchymal cells and more the stroma cells. The parenchymal cells no ɔmo yɛ the main job and the stroma cells no supporting. In tissue biara no parenchyma and stroma cell. So now, a tumor, it was two components, your parenchyma and stroma. Now, parenchyma is made up of neoplastic cells, and that determines the behavior and consequence of tumor. Now, the stroma cells are only supportive with connective tissues and blood vessels. Also important, only means only provided blood supply to the cells, otherwise the tumor cell cannot grow. It provides the framework which neoplastic cell can grow. In the parenchyma cell, no, bring about this kind of tumor. No? Now the stroma cells no supply nutrients. Say tumor koso nebra. Every tumor has two components: the parenchyma and the stroma. Parenchyma na about the neoplastic cells. Parenchyma cells originating the new cells. No? Now stroma cells no and the stroma are provided by blood vessels and the support. Saying what I say. Now, can name tumor in different variety of ways. I can name tumor based on the clinical cause and tissue origin. Into medical the clinical cause. It's a clinical cause, your benign tumor and your malignant tumor. Okay, tumor a new growth and a neoplasia a new growth. Into a new growth on a bit my benign, a bit my malignant. You can't say benign. What does it mean? Benign no a harmless, a harmless. Malignant and dangerous, and cancer and harmful. You're stubborn, very difficult to treat. Into cancer, if we Latin word now meaning crabs, once a crab or the or songs are or don't want yes. Sana malignant, sometimes go to China, then papa, into malignant, they're very strong, but benign, the and they're harmless. Good. Now, nomenclature of benign tumor. Nomenclature of benign tumor. Benign tumor. Yes, a benign tumor. No, we say tumor in new growth. Baby free, but I say name no. In name na, I beka chow say I deal with the we send a dinner here and a benign tumor. Oh, send a dinner here. Benign tumor. Name um yeah, benign tumor. A bit nephew cell. Another epithelial cell. Yes, one yamfa oma and so omodinato. Intimacy cell origin and possessive origin showing excess of benign tumor. No, yes, yamfa oma and so. In severe fibroblast. That's our fibroblast cell. No, and once a benign tumor be for them, the fibroma. Fibroblast. Tumor. If it's our cell, we buy. But that cell is our proliferation, new growth. No, it shows some excess of benign tumor. The fibroma. Epithelial cell origin. And so the oma also an example adenoma. If you know for instance, you'll be offering adenoma, also for epithelial cell origin. But there are exceptions. So we know in part two of the video. To me, talk about when be brave. But part two, talking about the nomenclature of benign tumor. No? Yeah, we are now okay. You name me, how do I name malignant tumors? And then I mean who I would deem being one, I must say, I deal with the malignant. Ain't almost as almost from mesenchymal origin, mesenchymal cell. Tumor between from mesenchymal cell. And now say between epithelial cell origin. Yes, say malignant tumor. No? Say from mesenchymal origin, the DNA tonianfa sarcoma and so into fibroblast. Now, fibroblast we know develop a malignant tumor. My friend, no fibrosarcoma. Now, what's a catch up this and it's have been some malignant tumor with you if we mesenchymal cell origin. Internal sarcoma. So, now, epithelial cell origin, I find a carcinoma. In say malignant tumor, if we epithelial cells nearby, yeah, my friend, no carcinoma at the end. In say more adenocarcinoma, and a more fibrosarcoma. Into who carcinoma na, and will be kind to say if we epithelial origin. And a who sarcoma na, and will be kind of say mesenchymal origin. Into adenocarcinoma and more squamous cell carcinoma, women if we epithelial cell origin. What else? Into nomenclature, how I mean, you know, say a benign tumor for almost also. Say whether you free mesenchymal cell o, whether you free epithelial cell o, say benign tumor kwa oma also. But I was saying who say ebi one ma oma also eso to but na benign tumor. It has been well explained in part 2. Inti on subscribe and like it. You can see the part 2 too. So and I say for malignant tumor there nomenclature name and say if mesenchymal cell and ever there. Na say malignant tumor there. The DNA no mefa sarcoma and so sarcoma mesenchyma sarcoma. But sa malignant tumor we no. Say we say free epithelial cell origin and yana carcinoma. And my friend, yes, sir. Until what's it adenocarcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and more being cancer or crass this malignant tumor, no, a epithelial cell origin. And yes, sir. Come on. The fact that mixed tumor. Mixed tumor. Now, neoplastic cells have more than one morphological pattern. For mixed tumor, no, the neoplastic cells that have more than one morphological pattern. See, you have pleomorphic adoma of parotid gland. It's a mixed tumor. They're coming from like they can be from epithelial cell, epithelial party or mesothelioma and pattern. Sometimes they can even have they can be cartilage as well. What I say. And yeah, what teratoma, because teratoma more than one germ layer. We know a mixed tumor. A few more than one germ layer. Now because germ layer. Now during the embryonic state, you fed there be three germ layers: mesoderm, ectoderm, and then endoderm. Mmiɛnsa, 3 layers. Saa nneɛma mmiɛnsa wei no ana nipa form free. So nti saa tumor no say free this kind of free more than three or more than one germ layer bad yeah, my friend teratoma. And commonly ovary test and pineal gland. What I say, in teratoma, when this tumor free more than one germ layer, my friend teratoma. Now, every characteristics of benign and malignant tumor. But some X is there, and the differences by catching me because you have differences between malignant and benign tumor. Simple, simple, simple. It's young way. Now, benign tumor, and your malignant tumor. Now, benign tumor, only a slow growing tumor. Grow slowly, but malignant, a cancer form. Grow 10. They are rapidly growing tumors. Rapidly growing tumor. Now, benign tumor, they undergo no metastasis, but malignant tumor undergo metastasis. My explain in the next slide. To make us everywhere. Now, benign tumor, they grow slowly in an expansive manner. But here, malignant, they grow rapidly in an invasive manner. Invade. Now, benign tumor usually covered by capsule and malignant usually no saa new growth wei no ɔmo saa new growth no and they be a microscope wɔn say oh saa new growth no they are covered by capsule but mostly malignant tumor no they are not mostly covered by capsule but there are exceptions some have no capsule example leiomyoma no benign tumor but ɔmo need capsule actually you must know this exception but I'm not saying something benign covered capsule. And a malignant tumor, they're not covered by capsule, but renal carcinoma has pseudocapsule. And you should know these exceptions. Malignant tumors no more need capsule. Benign tumor usually covered by capsule. But sometimes there's one malignant tumor called leiomyoma or more dear capsule. And mostly no malignant tumor no mostly covered by capsule. Mostly covered by capsule. Not covered by capsule. But your renal carcinoma has pseudocapsule. Because renal carcinoma, it's in an exam. Besides renal carcinoma, is it epithelial cell origin or mesenchymal cell origin? Because epithelial cell origin, because when we say mesenchymal, then they form sarcoma. So good. Now, benign tumor, hemorrhage and necrosis absent. In the for benign tumor, no one say hemorrhage like I say bleeding, be that kind of thing. And then necrosis, death of cells, absent. Any benign tumor. But come malignant, I won't say hemorrhages as a moja be kakra craving death cell death kakra or a malignant tumor there. Now, benign tumor, they are well differentiated. But cancer, malignant, their differentiation varies. And a mature differentiation as in case be a well differentiated. It means a new group of cells, almost say the normal one. Nti why you can design new growth but you say, oh, we a new growth now can win because we a normal cell. I think because this new growth is well differentiated. Almost say. In terms of differentiating, one can look at differences, any differences, but cells in some say the normal one now and a fairness. Into benign tumor for almost say the normal one, they are well differentiated. But for malignant tumor, it could be say almost say no, and no one say no, and that's almost as someone say. That means that their differentiation is variable. Now your benign tumor, they are non-anaplasia, and a malignant tumor also or more anaplastic. In I'm explaining the next slide. Now, evidence of malignant tumor, because malignant tumor okay, that in the one because and I'm packed. a malignant tumor. I will see metastasis, I will see anaplasia and invasion. Some way evidence of malignant tumor. Now, metastasis is the spread of tumor from primary origin to secondary origin. Some metastasis, no one say me explain this one. In the case of metastasis, I say tumor will spread from a primary origin to a secondary origin. That is metastasis. If you have malignant tumor, they can spread from one primary origin to a secondary origin. But benign tumor, no one decide we want to move on. Instead of when now now anaplasia means now aplasia means new growth and and means no. So lack of differentiation. So features there is polymorphism, and there is variation in size and shape. Nuclear changes, abnormal nucleus, increasing staining. Now, nucleus cytoplasm ratio will be 1:1. Normal one, 1:6. Oh, so sometimes, once I rest like the cytoplasm, no, and also one nucleus, no, be, sir. So, but with this malignant tumor anaplasia, no, cytoplasm, nucleus, no, be, see, I want to fill almost the whole cell. The ratio, be, 1:1. Banka normal one, one think cytoplasm does pass in the nucleus. No. And see, this number 1:6. That is a lot of priority. We now anaplasia. Now, invasion then. Now, produce proteolytic is able to produce proteolytic enzyme and break surrounding structures and invade malignant tumor. So dangerous. Within produce enzyme, how many breaky surrounding structures? No room, no one spread it. That is invasion. That's invasion in collagen and cartilage and veins and lymphatics. They can all these to break it through a post-secondary origin. And a differentiation in the extent to which neoplastic cells resemble normal cells both morphologically and functionally. And that is that. This is part one of malignant tumor. So here we are now part two. Make sure you subscribe now like it. So good. Thank you.